Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel and thank you so much for tuning in again. I'm going to be doing my own nails today, showing you guys the process. I'm going to start prepping my natural nails with the cuticle bit, removing any dead skin from the cuticle area, and then using a fine sanding band to lightly etch over my nail plate. I'm going to be using tips today because I want a long ghetto curve. And I'm going to glue my tips on and just lightly blend them. This is acetone. You don't have to do this, but this kind of melts the tips onto your nails. And I'm going to go in with some C-Bond primer because it's the best primer ever. And I'm going to start something differently with this design. I'm going to be using some foil gel and some ugly foils that I had laying around in my bedroom. I'm actually in bed doing these nails. I know it's crazy, but I'm in bed doing these nails and I found this ugly foil and I was like, I could probably do something with this. And this was not what I thought I was going to be able to do. It came out much uglier than I thought it would be, but I still went in with this nude cover powder and just ombreed it out. Now that the ombre is done, I'm going to encapsulate it, and like I said, it looks ugly, but I think the final result was kind of cute. I didn't keep these nails on long. They were probably on for like 3 days. They were ugly. I didn't like them, you guys. But anyway, I'm going to just encapsulate all of that, the ombre and that foil. And there goes the finished result after the application. And I'm going to start the shaping process with an extra coarse sanding band. This makes the shaping process go by a lot faster when I'm using my e-file. And I'm going to do the same process. I'm also going to go over the top of the nails to kind of thin them out, and also use an 80 grit hand file like the one you see below. You can get them from like Amazon or Sally's, but I like an 80 grit, and then a medium sanding band to just finish off the blend, and then seal the cuticle area with that comb bit. That's my favorite bit. That's going to seal the cuticle area, make it nice and flush. I'm going to go in with a shiny non-wipe gel top coat. And once I'm done with the top coat, I'm going to cure that completely and go in with my number 2 brush. It's a 3D acrylic brush, and I'm going to build up some petals on these flowers and just kind of freestyle it. And there goes the finished result, guys. There goes my 3D flowers. I love 3D flowers, guys. They're my favorite. And I hope that you enjoyed the video. So I'll see you guys later. Here goes the outro. Thank you guys so much for watching all the way to the end of the video. I truly appreciate you. Don't forget to check out C-Tones Acrylic. We are the nail supply plug. And if you haven't checked us out, I really don't know what you're waiting on. Make sure you head over to our site. Thanks for watching, and God bless.